Line clipping in computer graphics. Line clipping is a fundamental operation in computer graphics that involves removing portions of a line that lie outside a specified clip window or viewport. The goal of line clipping is to only display the portion of a line that is visible within the clip window, while removing the invisible portions. Some key points about line clipping are: clipping window. A line clipping algorithm operates on a specified clip window or viewport, which defines the area where the line will be visible. Line classification. Before clipping, each endpoint of the line is classified as being inside, outside, or on the boundary of the clip window. Algorithms. There are several algorithms for line clipping, including Cohen-Sutherland, Lion-Barsky, and Cyrus-Beck, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Endpoint modification. If one endpoint of the line is inside the clip window and the other is outside, the outside point may need to be modified so that the line is clipped at the boundary of the clip window. Intersection calculation. The clipped line is found by calculating the intersection of the line with the boundaries of the clip window. Display. The clipped line is then displayed within the clip window. Applications. Line clipping is widely used in computer graphics applications such as computer-aided design, CAD, animation, and 3D modeling. Optimization. Line clipping algorithms can be computationally expensive, especially for large numbers of lines. Optimization techniques, such as bounding boxes or spatial indexing, can be used to reduce the number of lines that need to be clipped. Line clipping is a crucial step in many computer graphics algorithms and is used to ensure that only visible portions of objects are displayed on the screen. It is an important tool for controlling what is displayed in the viewport and for improving the overall efficiency and performance of computer graphics systems. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.